Hi guys, I want to talk about this project called Elixir. You can check out the website which I have given below. It's a pretty new project. There is a possibility of airdrop on this project. As you can see, you can navigate through the website, connect to your wallet, and I'm just connecting my wallet right now. And yeah, just signing in through my Rabi wallet. And the good thing about this is it has what do you call a stable coin, a USDC option for us to invest on, and we can hit airdrops as well. Like, as you can see, I have connected my Twitter, I have connected my Discord. That's my global ranking and the positions that I earn. This is how you mint the NFT to collect. As you can see, I have already won the Mystic NFT, and you have time around 108 days available right now for this project, and all you have to do is just get this NFT and earn some potions. And as you can see, these are all the options that you have. You can connect your Arbitrum wallet. You can do it on Arbitrum chain just to avoid the gas fees. And I have invested on this ARB USDC perpetual option. And if you can go ahead and see, you can supply as much as you want to supply, minimum of $100. And right now, as you can see, my share is 112, which is worth 115 USDC. And yeah, go ahead, look around this project. This is the rewards that I've earned till now. Obviously I haven't claimed it. The APR is currently a little low right now, but yeah, you have a lot of options. You can use it on Ethereum, on Arbitrum, on Sui as well. Sui is another option which you can connect and earn rewards on that. You can deposit USDC through Sui. This is I'm just connecting the wallet. As you can see, you can deposit USDC through your Sui wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know. Right now my Sui wallet is totally empty. You can convert your Sui on the wallet itself into USDC. Right now I don't have any Sui, but as you can see, it's around $250 for 200 Sui token. And that's it for today.